My name is Nikos Stavropoulos and I'm a reader in music. Students on this course will have the chance to do creative work in areas like electroacoustic music, surround sound, sound and music for the moving image, and they will be engaging with theoretical aspects, theoretical discourse of sonic arts. The course takes a balanced approach in developing students' technical and intellectual abilities. So our students will have the chance to develop skills in advanced sound processing, for example, recording in surround sound, composition, etc. But we also have the chance to engage with theoretical aspects that underpin practices in sonic arts. We take a very open approach in music making and sonic arts in general, and we welcome students from a variety of backgrounds as long as they are creative with sound. Leeds is a very vibrant city, home to 5 universities, a number of festivals and a booming cultural sector. Channel 4 are moving their headquarters here in Leeds this year. So it's a very exciting place to be and work in, especially if you're into the arts. Here at Leeds Beckett we've got a very large cohort of students who are on music and sound related degrees. We also have courses in film, creative arts, performing arts. So students that come and study with us will have the opportunity to hang out with like-minded people and be part of a very creative community.